Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this really easy tote bag. It's really simple and I hope you like it. This bag measures approximately about 12 inches by 13 inches. You can find the link to the writing pattern in the description box. For this project, I use cotton yarn, but you can use any type of yarn of your choice. This is a number 4 medium yarn. Each one is about 71 grams, which is 109 meters long, and you'll need 3 of this. A 5mm hook, a pair of scissors, yarn needle, and stitch markers. This is my crochet ring. I highly recommend it if you crochet a lot. With this, I can crochet for hours without putting down my hook. It helps to protect my finger when I crochet so that the yarn is not pulling my finger. The link is in the description box along with the materials. Alright, let's get started. To begin the pattern, make a slip knot. Insert the hook and make a chain of 58. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To begin round 1, on the second chain, that's 1, 2, this one, place a single crochet. Insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. On this stitch, place a marker. Then single crochet into the next 55 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this will bring you all the way to the second last chain. And I made you right here. At the end of the chain, on the last chain, place a single crochet. Place a marker on this stitch. Then place 2 more single crochet into the same chain. So total 3 single crochet. And place a marker on the last stitch. Now we're going to work along the side of the chain. Single crochet into 55 chains. And this brings you to the end of the chain. That's 1. 2, 3, 4. At the end of the chain, 1 chain left, place 2 single crochet. 1, 2, and place a marker on the first stitch. And round 1 is complete with 116 stitches. To begin round 2, slip stitch into the first stitch, which is the one with the marker. One chain. In the same stitch, place 2 single crochet. 1, 2, and place the marker on the second stitch. Then single crochet into 55 stitches, and this brings you to the next marker, and I meet you right here. At the second marker, place 2 single crochet. 1, 2. Place the marker on the first stitch. Single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1, 2. Place the marker on the second stitch. From here, single crochet into 55 stitches, and I meet you at the next marker. At the last marker, place 2 single crochet. 1, 2. Place the marker on the first stitch, and single crochet into the last stitch. And now we have a total of 120 stitches. To begin round 3, slip stitch into the first stitch, which is the one before the marker, this one. This one and this one are the fake stitches that we do nothing with. So slip stitch into the first stitch, one chain, and place a single crochet into the same stitch. On the next stitch, 2 single crochet. One, 2. Place the marker on the second stitch if you want to make the base bigger, but this is my last round of increasing, so I don't need the marker anymore. Then single crochet into 55 stitches, and I meet you at the next marker. At the second marker, place 2 single crochet. 1, 2. Place the marker on the first stitch if you are making another increasing round. Then single crochet into the next 3 stitches. Two single crochet into the marker. One, 2, and single crochet into 55 stitches into the next marker. At the last marker, place 2 single crochet. 1, 2, and single crochet into the last 2 stitches. And this round, we have a total of 124 stitches. For the rest of the pattern, we'll be working with 124 stitches. To begin round 4, slip stitch into the first stitch. One chain. In the same stitch, place a single crochet. Three chains. 1, 2, 3. Skip 3. 1, 2, 3. And single crochet. 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Skip 3. Single crochet. 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. skip 3, single crochet, and this is the repeat for this round. Repeat this all the way around, and I meet you on the next round. To begin the next round, and this is also the repeat round, I just did 3 chains, and I'm going to skip the last 3 stitches, single crochet into the first stitch to join the round. You may use a slip stitch and 1 chain here, but I'm going to skip that. And place a marker on this stitch. Three chains. 1, 2, 3. Skip the 3 chains. On the single crochet stitch, place a single crochet. 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Skip the 3 chains. Single crochet. 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And single crochet. And this is a repeat. Repeat this round for as many times as needed. It may look flat at the beginning, but it's alright. Just keep repeating this round and eventually it will look like a bag. I stopped out of my bag, which is about almost 13 inches. Then I join around with a slip stitch and 1 chain and single crochet into the same stitch. Place a marker in the 3 chain space. Place 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Single crochet, 3 single crochet. And repeat this all around. By the end of the round, we still have 124 stitches. And I meet you on the next round. The next part is making the straps. You can decide of how far apart you want. To join the round, slip stitch into the first stitch. One chain, place a single crochet into 13 stitches, and this brings me to the marker. At the marker, make a chain of 80, which is about 20 inches long, but it could be any number you want. After the chain is made, and we're going to skip 33 stitches. And join the round by single crochet into the next stitch. Before you're doing that, make sure your chain is not twisted. We'll single crochet into 30 stitches, and this brings me to the next marker. At the marker, make another chain of 80 and skip 33 stitches and single crochet into the last 15 stitches, and I meet you on the next round right here. After the 2 straps are made, and to begin the next round, slip stitch into the first stitch, one chain, single crochet into 13 stitches, and this brings us to the chain, and I meet you at the chain right here. At the chain, turn the chain to the back, and you'll find the little bumps on the back. Place a single crochet into the bumps at the back of the chain. and this will give the bag a nice finishing edge. Then continue to single crochet into every stitch all around. You may do another 2 or 3 single crochet rounds, it's entirely up to you. And I'm going to meet you at the end of the final round. After 2 rounds of single crochet, at the end of the final round, after the last stitch, cut yarn and join the round with a yarn needle. Insert into the first stitch and insert into the back loop of the previous stitch. This way, you'll get a nice finishing look. And lastly, to fasten off. And that's all for today. Thank you for joining me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!